using this wood plank from Dollar Tree. The screw that's in the middle of it, we're just going to take that out and use a 1-inch screw for that part. Then I'm just going to start painting the sides of the plank. I'm going to use the D-ring hangers and attach it to the back of the plank. Now I'm taking this Cricut textured metallic vinyl, which this is a 3-pack. It comes in brown, copper, and black. Just taking that sheet of vinyl, and I'm going to lay the wood plank down on top of it and trace out the shape. After I'm done cutting it, then I just lay it right on top of the shape. I'm just going to take this 1-inch screw and I'm going to place it right in the center of that, and I'm just going to push it down a little bit. Then I'm going to screw it down to tighten it. I'm going to take this plastic bottle and wrap it with twine. I'm placing the glue right in the center of that screw, and then I'm going to place the glue on the back of the bottle, and I'm going to add hot glue as well. I'm just going to finish attaching the other pieces to clamp this in place.